Hey everyone, welcome back to Drew Drives. Let's go for a quick drive in this 2024 Mini Cooper S convertible. Build quality is pretty nice. I mean, BMW product, so not surprised. Not really a big Mini Cooper guy, but since I'm a BMW guy, you know, I'm cool with them to an extent. Here's your gauge cluster right there. We got 19 miles of range on it. You have a circular screen like you do in all Mini Coopers. It's basically BMW's iDrive. It's the same thing. Yeah, it's iDrive, except a few of the controls look different. You have a BMW gear shifter. I've always liked these toggle switches in Minis. Like, they're really cool. This is the convertible. The convertible top button's over there. Let's put it in sport mode. Dynamic settings. Heated seats. Here's the AC. I mean, the paddle shifters. Let's go. Here's your head-up display. It's like one of those head-up displays that rises out of the dash. It's not one that projects onto the windshield. It's like a mini screen. This has 189 horsepower with a 2-liter Ford turbocharged 4-cylinder because it's the S, Mini Cooper S. One of my favorite minis, which like is the Mini Cooper John Cooper Works, the JCW GP. I had a guy who traded in once, and then it was a nice car. They're really uncommon, and it sold in like 2 days because of how uncommon they are. It was fast, even though it was front-wheel drive. It handled well. That was the fastest. That was one of the. I didn't know Mini Cooper made cars like that. I've never driven a manual Mini Cooper. I'd be curious to see how that drives, if I got a chance to drive a manual one. Yeah, it's crazy how BMW, this interior is literally BMW. Harman Kardon sound system. Why don't we just switch lanes? Classic BMW Turbo 4 right there. Even though it has 189 horsepower, it's actually pretty quick. The response is pretty good. The head-up display's a little weird. I wonder why they just didn't project it onto the screen like a traditional head-up display, and like a BMW. Yeah, I mean, the suspension is a little bit rough for sure. This is not like a luxury car or anything like that, but it is a nice drive. I mean, the steering is nice and heavy. I mean, it drives like a BMW. All BMWs drive great, you know? What issues are you gonna have there, right? With the driving experience, I mean. If you're a Mini Cooper person, you would definitely like this car. Can say that for sure. I personally don't know anyone who owns a Mini Cooper. However, pull into the parking lot, drop the top so y'all can see that, and do a quick walk on, and we'll conclude this video like we always do on Drew Drives. I love that heavy steering, it's nice. So let's put it in park. So it goes back halfway first, and then you pull the switch again, drops the windows, and then there's your top going down. The back seats are really small. As Forrest from Forrest Auto Reviews would say, they're for legless passengers. If you know, you know. It's funny. But it's in this cool green color. I think it's a really nice looking color. Like the daytime running lights in the circles. They remind me of Porsche 911's headlights. I like that taillight design, pretty good. So yeah, there's your Mini Cooper S. Looks like a golf cart or something. You have suede. I don't know who could possibly fit back there. That's like for 2-year-olds. Goodness. But yeah, that concludes this video. If you enjoyed, please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.